problems in the exercise 3.7. In this class, we are going to solve the remaining problems. Okay? Yes. Here I have taken the 8th question. Find the least number which, when divided by 6, 15, and 18, and they give you leave a remainder 5 in each case. Okay? So here they say that find the least number. So least number means we have to find out the LCM of given numbers. So at last we have to add the remainder 5 to the answer. Okay? Let's write the solution. LCM of given numbers 6, 15 and 8. Okay, yes, I will do here using the prime factorization method 6, 15 and 8. Okay, so first I will divide these three numbers by 2. It's 2, 3 are 6. So 15 is not divisible by 2. So write it as it is, then 2 9 are 18. So here the three numbers are also the odd numbers. So it is not divisible by 2. Then take 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. Then 3 3s are 9. Then again divide by 3. 1 5 as it is because it is not divisible by 3. Then 3 1s are 3. Then divide by 5. So 1 5 1s are 5, 1 as it is. Okay. Therefore LCM is equals to, then write here 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Yes. What is the LCM of given three numbers? 2 3 are 6. 6 3 are 18. 18 5 are 90. So 90 is the LCM of given numbers. So we have to add the remainder here. So plus remainder which is equals to 95. So 95 is the least number. So which divided by 6, 15 and 8. Therefore write down here. So 95 is the smallest number divided by which divided by 6, 15 and 8. Okay. Ninth question is find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. So in previous class we have solved one of the problem. So it is similar to that. So first we have to find out the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. So first we have to find out the LCM of given three numbers. The solution LCM of 18, 24 and 32. Okay, then find out the LCM here 18, 24 and 32. Yes, I will use here prime factorization method. Yes, find out by 2. So 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2 2s are, then 2 1s are 2, remaining 1 here, 2 6s are 12. Then next again divide by 2. So 9 is not divisible by 2, then write it as it is. Then 2 6 are 12 and 2 8s are 60. Again divide by 2. So 9 write it as it is. 2 3 jar, then 2 4 jar. Then again divide by 2. Just write 9 as it is, 3 as it is, then 2 2s are 4. Again divide by the 2. 9 as it is, 3 as it is, then 2 1s are. Then divide by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So 3 3s are 9, then 3 1s are 3, then 1 as it is. Then again divide by 3 here. 3 1s are 1, LCM is equals to, what is the LCM here? Is multiply and write it here. So 2 to ja 4, 4 to ja 8, 8 to ja 16, 16 to ja 32. So 32 into 3 3 is 9. Is what is the product of these 32 and 9? So 9 to ja 18. Carry 9 3 ja 27. 27 plus 1 28. So 288. So LCM of these three numbers is 288. But they are asking the smallest 4-digit number. Yes, we know that. So 288 into 3. Let's check here. So 8 3 ja 24 to carry. 8 3 ja 24. 24 plus 2 26. Again to carry. 3 2 ja 6. 6 plus 2 8. 864. So it is a smallest. So it is a 3-digit number. But there are still a 4-digit number. Let's multiply by 4. 288 into 4. 4 8 ja 32. We carry 4 8 ja 32. 32 plus 3 35. We carry. Then 4 2 ja 8. 8 plus 3 11. So 1152 is the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. Right at last. Therefore 1152 is the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 30. Okay, let's go to the 10th question. Find the LCM of the following numbers. So I have taken here two problems, A1 and B1. First one 9 and 4, 12 and 5. Observe a common property in the obtained LCMs. Is LCM the product of two numbers in each case? First, find out the LCM of given two numbers. Okay, write here solution. First, I will take a question, that is 9 and 4. Factorize them 9 and 4. So 9 comma. First take 2 here. So 9 cannot be divisible. Write it as it is. 2 2 ja 4. And again 2. 9 as it is. 2 1 ja 2. Then take here 3. So 3 3 is 9 comma 1 as it is. Then 3 1 ja 3. Then 1. Therefore LCM is equals to 2 into 2 3 into 3. Yes, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Yes, which is equals to 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36. Yes, similarly, write the B1. That is 12 and 5. Yes, 12 and 5 factors here. 12, 5. So first we have to take the prime number 2. 2 6 are 12. Then 5 cannot be divisible. Write it as it is. Then 2 3 ja 6. Then 5 write it as it is. Then next take 3. So 3 1 ja 5 cannot be divisible by 3. Then write it as it is. Then 5 1. Okay. And therefore LCM is equals to. So 2 is repeated 2 times. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 3 into 5. Is what is the LCM of these two? 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 5 ja 60. Yes. Now you observe the common property obtained in the LCM of these two products. See here, 9 4 ja 36, 12 5 ja 60. Yes, we can say that is LCM the product of two numbers in each case? Yes. Right here, yes. LCM is the in each case. Okay. Yes. Similarly, you can do the remaining C and D questions. Okay. Let's go to the 11th question. The last one is find the LCM of the following numbers in which one number is the factor of other. Here they are given the 4 questions. So I have taken 2. So 5, 20, 6, 80. And what do you observe in the results obtained? Yes. First find out the LCM of the given numbers. Let's write the result. Okay. Yes. First write your solution. Is A1 LCM of 5, 20. It's find out here 5, 20. It is divisible by 2. 5 is not divisible by 2. Then 2 10 jump. Then again 2, 5 as it is. 2 5 is 10. Okay, then it is divisible by 5. 5 1 is 5 1 is. Therefore LCM is equals to 2 into 2 into 5, which is equals to 2 2 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20. Okay. Then similarly B1. LCM of 6, 80. Expand your 6, 80. Divide by 2. 2 3 ja 6. 2 9 ja 80. Yes, 3 and 9 are odd numbers. It is not divisible by 2. Then take 3. 3 1 ja. Then 3 3 ja. Then again 1 as it is. Then 3 1 ja 3. Then LCM is equals to 2 into 3 into 3, which is equals to 2 3 ja 6, 6 3 ja 80. Yes, we can observe here LCM is the larger number. So here the larger number is 20, that is the LCM. And also we can observe here, so one of the number is, so here 5 is a factor of 20. So 20 is the LCM of given number and it is the larger number. So hence we can write here, in each case LCM is the larger number, when a number is a factor of other, then LCM will be the larger number. So the remaining C and D product, so you have to solve in the notes. Okay. So up to here we have completed the exercise 3.7 and also we have completed the lesson playing with numbers. So after solving the exercise 3.7 all the problems, at last you have to draw a concept map of playing with numbers. Okay. Thank you.